This tiny world holds secrets, often unseen by the human eye. Capturing extreme close-ups of nature always presented immense challenges. Early photographers struggled with shallow depth of field and limited working distance. Traditional macro lenses offered incredible detail, but restricted creative angles. Filmmakers faced even greater hurdles documenting active wildlife. Innovation was desperately needed to explore these miniature ecosystems. Today, one groundbreaking lens changed everything for macro videography. For decades, capturing true macro required specialized, bulky equipment. Photographers often used extension tubes or bellows for magnification. These setups were cumbersome, making fieldwork incredibly difficult. Lighting tiny subjects precisely proved another persistent problem. Impossible to focus disturbing delicate insects or creatures was a constant risk. Early attempts often produced blurry, static, or poorly lit images. Standard macro lenses typically offer one magnification at best. This means the subject appears life-size on the camera sensor. Achieving higher magnification often requires complex lens stacking techniques. Working distance remained short, often just inches from the subject. This narrow field of view made subjects appear flat. Creating dynamic, immersive shots was nearly impossible for filmmakers. New tools were essential for deeper nature exploration. Then came a true game changer: the Laowa 24mm f/14 probe lens. Venus Optics released this unique lens to eager photographers in 2017. It features a long, slender, waterproof barrel, unlike any other. This allows cameras to enter tight spaces without disturbing wildlife. Its barrel is only 2 centimeters in diameter at the tip. Integrated LED lights illuminate subjects subtly and directly. This eliminates the need for external, often bulky lighting setups. Its wide-angle perspective at macro distances creates stunning context. Viewers see both the subject and its environment in sharp focus. This unique design offers unparalleled bug's-eye views. It truly revolutionized macro filmmaking and photography. This probe lens empowered filmmakers like never before. BBC Natural History Unit extensively uses it for documentaries. Programs like Planet Earth Roman II and Dynasties showcase its capabilities. Viewers can now experience a beetle's journey through grass. We see a frog emerge from its tiny watery refuge. The lens allows for captivating, previously impossible tracking shots. Filmmakers capture predators chasing prey from ground level. It brings new scale and immersion to nature stories. This innovation truly redefined close-up natural history storytelling. Its impact continues to inspire new photographic techniques globally. The Laowa probe lens exemplifies how innovation unveils hidden natural wonders. It transforms our understanding of the smallest, most intricate ecosystems. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the natural world's marvels.